Good morning again. We have now Mr. Avnish Kumar, Assistant Manager Business Development for North India. He is heading Dane India Private Limited, 100% subsidiary of Dane Germany. Now it is in India since 2011. 100% subsidiary has been operated. So, Avinashi, can you tell me about the product and services what you are offering for the specifically for the solar segment?
Right. So basically, this is Gen India. So we are dealing into lightning protection, surge protection, earthing, and safety services. So we are having different verticals, and based on that, we are providing solution to various industries, various buildings, various residential, and the solar plants as well. And we are protecting these solar plants from lightning as well as surges. So we are providing a lightning protection system and surge protection devices to protect the solar panels and renewable energy, such as wind, solar, and all, etc. So these are being protected by us from lightning as well as surges. And we are providing earthing safety audits and earthing solutions as well related to design and commissioning. So we are protecting the solar panels from earthing as well.
So while we talk about the protection, right, wherein it is very important and mandatory for all the electrical equipments or the other equipments, right? And being an Indian system, we have identified that the majority of the people doesn't have the proper knowledge of the earthing system or the lighting system, and they still use the conventional methods, thumb rule methods. So how do you differentiate that philosophy with your actual expertise?
See, in related to earthing, which is the basic thing. So everywhere we are seeing that we are doing the calculation for uniform soil model, right? So, but using software, some simulations, and new technologies, we can do the earthing audits and earthing simulations for multi-layer models as well. So this will give a exact solution that what is the requirement, because if we are giving the solution just on a thumb rule method, we are not giving the exact solution for that uh, protect, means we are not giving the exact protection for it. So for giving the exact solution, we are using new technologies, new methods, and the latest softwares which will be helpful for the protection of that equipment. And we are providing the complete from starting designing till the end commissioning stage. So we are providing the complete comprehensive solution for earthing as well.
So if we consider that if the any of the earthing has not been properly done, what would be the disadvantage of not being managed or the monitored the earthing properly?
So basically, we do earthing for two reasons. First is the human safety, and second is the protection of that equipment. And you can say it as equipment safety. So they are two different things. If we will not focus or if we will not provide the proper earthing for it, then in that case, the humans can get shocked, and it is basically unprotected. And second thing is the equipments are not safe. So protection of that humans and equipments is the means, due to that only we are doing earthing.
So how long it has been there are many incidents happen into India and majority of them are the reason is being given as the electrical short circuit, right? So how do you feel that the not using the proper earthing would be one of the choice of or the reasons for the short circuits or the fires?
See, ultimately earthing is important. If you are not doing earthing, that means you are not dissipating the fault current, short circuit current to the ground. So ultimately earthing is important. You have to provide that earthing because it will protect the human beings as well as equipment. So if we are not doing proper earthing and we are not providing the proper solution for it, then in that case it is unprotected. So to protect, the earthing is required. Earthing is mandatory, you can say.
Absolutely. So it means the without earthing, if any devices or the without proper earthing, if any devices has been set up, right, there may chances that it may fail in future with a big impact on the mankind as well as the equipment losses, right? And in fact, the insurance will also reject the claims later on with if they do not find the proper results into the measurement criteria. So coming to the part of the your second expertise, which is lighting protection, as you said, and lightning is an effect wherein we cannot measure at the real time basis, right? that may vary based on the many natural conditions.
Right.
So, how do you evaluate that conditions is best ideal suitable for what kind of application?
See, lightning is a natural phenomena, right? We cannot predict that how lightning will come and when it will come, right? So we provide complete solution for lightning protection system. That is the external lightning protection to protect the building from direct lightning strikes, and the internal lightning protection to protect the electrical and electronic equipments from lightning as well as switching surges. So for that we provide surge protection devices. And third part is the earthing. Ultimately, the current should go towards the earth and it should get dissipated. So ultimately, this is the comprehensive solution that we are providing: external lightning, internal lightning, and earthing. So right now, you have heard many incidents in UP, Bihar, Jaipur, various regions that due to lightning, the humans are getting right. So it is because it is not due to that direct lightning strike on that human being. It is due to the step potential. Because whenever lightning strike over the ground, it will create a ground potential rise, and due to that, the humans can get electric shock. So to protect these human beings, we provide some general catalogs and we provide some general things that while lightning you should sit down, you should not move, you should not run. So we are providing some general information. We are providing some awareness also, awareness programs. We are doing some awareness programs as well, so that how human beings should get the knowledge that while lightning what we have to do. So we are providing some general information also and general awareness also in villages as well as in various regions, so that humans beings should get knowledge that during lightning we have to do these things, so it can protect them.
That's fantastic. So you are also into the services, like you have said that the advanced engineering services plus lighting consultancy services. So for the any solar plant which has to be set up on the rooftop or the windmill which is on the too high, approximately 100-meter or somewhere at the height would be, right? So in that case, how what do you suggest or how do you help the any EPC players or the installers or the end users?
Sir, we are basically into lightning protection and earthing. So and we are into power quality audits and all. So while doing the setup, we help them related to designing of that lightning protection, earthing, and we do power quality audits also. So you can say it as root cause analysis. So we provide them the solution related to lightning protection and earthing, so that they should get the exact solution as per standard. So we were providing them that whatever the lightning protection to be installed, that should be meeting these standards. Whatever earthing should be installed, that should be meeting these standards. So we are providing the complete design, solution, and SITC job, the comprehensive solution for solar as well as wind as well as whatever renewable energy we are using.
So while we discuss about the right, so how soon or the what is the different gaps it has to be always audited all the premises for earthing and lighting protection.
Sir, see, as previously also I told that the solution should be given based on the analysis, right? So if we are providing the solution for earthing, we should be knowing that what is the soil resistivity of that area or what is the fault current of that area. Based on that, we should provide the solution. Not based on that there is a thumb rule, we have to provide 2 earth pits. We'll install 2 earth pits. This is not a solution. So solution is how we have to install the earth pits, how many earth pits are required. So based on that, you have to take the parameters such as soil resistivity and fault current. These are basic parameters. Some more parameters to be included. So based on that, we provide the solution using design and softwares. And after that, you have to implement them.
So, but how soon we have to check that the parameters are again okay for the maintenance part?
Right. See, in generally, we can say it as we should monitor at every means if we are providing some earthing solution, we should monitor at regular intervals, maybe within a month,
Once in a
right, once in a month. But that is also not sure whether that system will protect or not, right? Because earthing is a natural means soil is a natural thing, right? We cannot predict that soil is changing its properties at a time or within a month, right? So in that case, we have made one product that is EPMS. So this is the online real-time earth monitoring device. This will monitor the earthing system continuously for, you can say it, for every second also, and you will get the data all over the cloud, and you can see it in your mobile as well as in your laptop. So using this EPMS, you can do 4 things: earth resistance, earth integrity, leakage current, and earth to neutral voltage. So these 4 parameters can be monitored on a regular basis for every second as well.
So you mean to say the only one device to install a
Will-
single setup, or
Okay, this will install for 3 earth pits or 3 earthing grids, and this will monitor your earthing grid, that whether your earthing grid resistance is 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 5 ohm, whatever is the threshold.
For example, if we have one setup of 1 megawatt power plant,
Right.
how many devices?
No, in that case, we have to see that in 1 megawatt of solar power plant, how many earthing grids are being installed.
Approximately, you can consider that it has to be 40 things.
For 3 earthing grids, then in that case, for one grid, whole grid, we can install one device.
Okay.
So for 40 earthing grids, we can install 40 devices.
That's it.
Right, and all 40 devices will monitor that individual grids, and they will get the give the data to equipment. Actually, it is having 3 provisions. So one device can monitor 3 earthing grids also.
Okay.
So in 40, if 40 earthing grids are there, then in that case you can take it around. Means you can make it to 3, or you can say it as half. Around 20 devices can monitor all the grids.
Great. Okay, so that's fantastic. I think your product and services will solve the main the problem of the electrical industry or the renewable industry, wherein we don't monitor the faults, we don't monitor the lightning protection devices, or even we don't install it properly,
Correct.
right? And your services will definitely help to enhance the life of the equipments,
Correct.
plus the life of the manpower as well, and will reduce 100% on the part of the faults. That's right.
Definitely.
So thank you very much, Mr. Avnish, and it's pleasure to meet you. Thank you.
Nice pleasure to meet you too.